Welcome to 1519 Meadow Circle here in Carpinteria, California. Carpinteria sits just over 10 miles south of Santa Barbara and about 80 miles north of Los Angeles. And one of the things that I've always loved about Carpinteria is over the years it's preserved its small town look and feel. Carpinteria is known for its quaint, charming downtown and its idyllic beach that's actually been known as the world's safest beach. Here in the home that I'm about to show you, this is located in the Meadow, which is a planned unit development community here that has access to great private amenities, including a pool, spa, and clubhouse, and also nearby public amenities, including hiking trails, parks, downtown Carpinteria, and the beach. Come on inside and take a look. This great home offers a charming little front porch that opens to a grassy open space that I'll show you after walking you through the interior. As you step into the home, you're going to immediately get a sense of the space and volume here in the living room that includes beautiful bamboo floors, a gas fireplace, and soaring cathedral ceilings that give this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home a great sense of space and volume. Up above there, you can see the landing of the stairs, which makes for a perfect home office space in today's COVID environment. Here in the dining room, got ample space for dining and a built-in china hutch. And this space flows seamlessly to the outdoors. The backyard has been re-landscaped by the current owner and offers a beautiful landscape design, including petite butterfly, rosemary, natural grasses, and patio and paths made from flagstone and decomposed granite. The side fence has been replaced, and the beautiful back wall that gives great privacy to this backyard is covered with a vine, making it a whole wall of green. The backyard enjoys views of the mountains and sits under a canopy of several surrounding trees. This great community is well maintained by the HOA, and the HOA recently replaced a lot of the siding of the home, which is termite resistant and fire resistant. Here we're coming back into the dining room. One of the crowning features of the home is the beautifully renovated kitchen, which offers extensive cabinetry, granite counters, a large picture window that enjoys the mountain views, and stainless steel appliances. You've got a large island with seating for 4, Bosch dishwasher, LG fridge, and a GE 5-burner cooktop. Here on your right, you've got the built-in microwave and a built-in desk, which can provide a 5th seating for the bar or a flexible workspace. The garage offers ample storage and parking, has a finished floor, painted drywall. The newer furnace and newer water heater are both in here as well. A lot of built-in storage, insulated garage door, and it even has its own laundry area, which serves as a laundry room of sorts, with a laundry sink that was added by the current owner, and the water softener is located here as well. Coming back side the home, you can see that the kitchen opens to the family room space. It gets wonderful natural light from the big picture window, complete with bench seat. The owners added dual paned mill guard windows, which are great for energy efficiency, keeping the home cool even during the warm California days. Here's your powder room, which is great for entertaining when guests are downstairs and in the backyard. And then you also see here in the foyer to your left that china cabinet has extra storage on both sides and opens both to the foyer and to the dining room. All 4 bedrooms are upstairs. You can see a big picture window here in the stairs. It's really nice as you look up, you just see the canopy of green. And this is that great home office space that I was mentioning earlier. When the current owners added the mill guard windows, they did change two of these windows to be operable that in the current floor plan were fixed, which is great for additional airflow. I'm going to take you into the master bedroom suite first. The master bedroom enjoys its own private deck overlooking the treetops and enjoys scenic mountain views. Here's the same great vaulted ceilings that you see downstairs in the living room. The master bathroom has recently been remodeled. Beautiful tile floors, new double vanity, light fixtures, plumbing fixtures. And a new walk-in tiled shower. There are 2 ample-size walk-in closets. And here's one of the 2 to give you an idea of the size of the closet. There are 3 more bedrooms upstairs. The bedrooms let in great natural light here into the center hallway. Got a linen closet. This bedroom enjoys the same mountain views and actually very tall ceilings, taller ceilings than the other 2 bedrooms. Not sure if they're 10 feet tall, but they're pretty darn close. It's your 3rd bedroom. That window straight ahead of us offers some of the best mountain views in the property. As we come back into the hallway, you're going to see the 2nd full bath in this home, here on your right. And then your 4th and final bedroom. And this room overlooks the green area outside the front door that I'm going to show you in a second, and enjoys the same pleasant mountain views. As we head down the stairs, take a look at that tall picture window with the arched top to your right, highlighting that beautiful tree outside. As we step outside, I want to show you just how close you are to the common amenities. Here's that beautiful open grassy area, a number of the surrounding homes open to, giving each of the homes a sense of privacy, but also of community. So as we walk around, one of the things that I love about this community, it's peaceful and quiet. You've got mature trees. We don't get many seasons here in Carpinteria, but this community offers a number of maple trees and other trees that are actually going to get the leaves changing color in the fall. Here's the front entry for the community. I love the Mexican sage that's blooming under that center median of mature trees. Here we are at the community area for the Meadows. This is the private amenities, including hot tub, clubhouse, his and her bathrooms, and a large pool, perfect for enjoying the warm California sunshine. What's so great about living in this type of community is you get to enjoy all these great amenities while sharing the cost of maintenance with the other owners. Thank you so much for joining me today for a tour of 1519 Meadow Circle. Please reach out to your agent or your preferred Zia Group Realtor partner to schedule a private showing.